Today I'm going to change the oil on my 1984 John Deere 111 lawn tractor. Came with my cabin, been using it for a couple weeks, works pretty well. So we're going to change the oil. I think it takes about 2 quarts. And let it cool off for a little bit, drain it here in a second. And then we'll top her off. We'll go through the process. Alright, so let's use this 7/8 to break that free. That's where the oil's going to come out. And this is where you're going to fill. That's to tighten it. This will loosen it. Let's see. There, it's already loose. Didn't take much. That's where I'm going to fill it. So I'm going to use a funnel because there's not much room here to catch it here. And I drain it there. Since I need 2 hands, I'll come back once it starts. And there you go. Pour it out of there into here. So I'll have to sit here while I babysit it because it's kind of far. I can't get the oil pan any closer. That's how I did it. Supposedly there's 2 quarts in there. We'll see. So it's all drained. Got her in there. Put the funnel in the top. Tighten up this one to 7/16, sorry, 7/8. And put about 2 quarts of oil in. Just get that snug. You don't want to strip it so it don't get too tight. Just that taut. I'm gonna put some full synthetic 10W30 in here. Quaker State. That's what I had laying around. You're supposed to change this every. I thought they said 20 hours. That seems awfully soon, but. How about a couple times a year from on the lawn? That's my plan. This stuff was pretty brown and nasty, so hadn't been done in 6 years, and I ran it twice since it's been 6 years, so it was definitely due. So I'll pour this in. Another thing I like to do is take the empty container and fill it with the oil from in here and bring it to the recycling place. Actually, then you get a good idea if it burned any oil by how much it fills back up on the edge. So it took just over a quart. I'm gonna run it, see what it looks like after that. That's it for a bit. Well, that's it. I checked it after it ran for a little bit. Took a little over 24 ounces, which is really strange. That's not a whole lot. As you can see right there, it's 24 right below my thumb. So not quite a whole quart, so crazy. I thought it would take at least 1.5 quarts, if not almost 2. So anyways, John Deere 111 takes about a quart of oil, which is really weird, but that's what mine took. It's on pretty level ground too. Anyways, if you like this video, thanks for watching. She's a beauty. See the camouflage seat? She's a runner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.